guys, we are here at Funan, Hill Street, going to City Hall and going to Clarke Quay, Singapore. Okay, this is a Funan Mall. Yes, ganda. Pas niya Funan Peninsula Plaza. Pumunta tayo sa Clarke Quay. Going to Clarke Quay. The River Walk. Funan Mall. Daming tao dyan. See many people partying each other. Party. Today is Sunday. So maraming tao ngayon na walang trabaho. No work today, Sunday. Marina Bay Sands. Go. Hi. Port Canning Park is here. Port Canning Park. Okay, Clarke Quay slingshot, Singapore slingshot, then Marina Bay Sands. Right, the river walks. River Valley Road, Circuit, Block E. Punta doon, Chinatown. Circular Street. Yan, Circular Street. Pwedeng lakarin niya papuntang Chinatown. Yan. Alright. Enjoy your view. Chinatown doon, Chinatown.